Well, I ordered this Poco M2 mobile through Flipkart. It arrived just a while ago. I bought this phone on offer at Flipkart at rupees 10,249. It has 64 GB internal memory, expandable to 512 GB and a 6 GB RAM. There is MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor inside. It's a pitch black color, full HD display. Here is the charger set, the charger pin, the cord, full HD display. Here comes the 6.53-inch plus 1080p full HD display. Well, my brother Amit Ghoshal suggested me this phone. He is a teacher by profession, but I must say he is a living Wikipedia of contemporary mobile phones and cameras. He has got every information on latest advancements of these gadgets. At this point, I need to insert a SIM into this phone or to connect it to a Wi-Fi network, and it will start running.